Hello everybody, I'm playing Bomber Grounds. This is my first ever video. Yeah, let's do this. I'm not that good at this game, by the way. Okay, so... And this game is totally free. And please subscribe. I don't know why, but every time the servers always go to Virginia. Alright, this is a completely random start to the game. Wait, I can't move! Alright. The goal is like you have to throw your bombs at each other. And you have a bat which could be used to deflect the bomb or hit the bomb to the other opponent, or you can, if you hold it for long enough, you can... This guy just trapped himself. And if you get these stars, you get points. Look, that's what happens. You can reflect or hit it. No, I died. GG's. This game's actually really fun. I've been playing it a lot. And yeah. There's a little shop. Alright. We are still not in. Load. Alright, loaded. And when you're in game, you don't really need your mouse. It's just the WASD keys and the JK. J's to bomb, K's to hit and stun. And WASD is to move around. And if you play on mobile, well, I don't know how to, because I don't play on mobile. So. Naughty, you teasing me. No! I'm trash!
Better than no picture, right?
The in-game loading process takes a while, but other than that, this is a really fun game. Like in this game, you're like an animal. See, like, hold on. Like in this, I'm a bear. I'm a bear. So like you start you can be a bear, a cat, or a bunny rabbit. And you see this guy? He's gonna max out his bat. And he's gonna try to hit me with it. And he did. So, good job, him. Alright, same process. I hope I don't get demolished this time. Whippy-ki-yo-ki-yay. Because I suck at this game. Alright, this is taking too long. So we're gonna play Fun with Ragdolls. Or should we play Pacify? Let's play Fun with Ragdolls. Fun with Ragdolls. Why is my mouse doing that? Alright. This is my character. And you just do a bunch of random stuff like this. Just do this real quick. And now he's attacking me. Ooh, I just kicked him right in the face. That was cool. World War Ragdolls. Whoa. And look, the cheat thing is you could just stand here and they trip on you. Alright. Don't talk about that. Sir, you're coming with me. Yeet. This has to be my #1 favorite game ever. Cause you could do like haha, try to get me now, sucker. Oh, I see you still can. Slow motion. Okay. What else do we gotta work with? This. Let's put that on max strength. Now try me. Haha. Wait. Haha. Making it impossible for them to defeat me. Try me now, punks. That was not better than the last one. The fans just demolished them. I think there's a way to make it so I can make it so I can shoot it. Yeah! Bow! 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 Ow. That failed. Alright, so that was my gameplay of some of my games I have. I hope you enjoyed.